So it's been mentioned to me that I forgot to test these titanium pans that I have. You've seen the previous videos when I just basically just had a quick look at them, and it's time to cook with them and see how they go. Now I'm gonna keep this quite basic, and how can I say, I'll keep it cowboy. What do we like? Bacon, beans and egg. So firstly we'll see how well it's going to fry the bacon, how well it's going to reheat the beans, and how it's going to deal with an egg, if it sticks or not. Let me do some bacon right now. Just prepare this. So I have my bacon right here. Now I like a little bit of garlic with my beans, just some thin slices. Don't use it if you don't like it. This is not a recipe, this is just a test. So a bit of garlic and a bit of chili, and at the end I'm just gonna use just a touch of fresh thyme. Let me get that. And this is a bit of fresh thyme, like I said. So get this on my plate so I can set up my burner here. Here are the pots again, the pans. You have a little frying pan and two kind of pots right here. And okay, I'm just gonna start with this one to fry the bacon into it. And get a pan on, and straight away I'm going in with the bacon. It's already sizzling, you can hear it. I don't want it to burn, so I'm going to try the lowest flame I can. It's a non-stick. I get a little bit of burn at the bottom of the pan right there, but that's because the flame, it's localized, it's straight there in the middle, and maybe with a different burner it's going to be better. I'm still gonna stick to it, still gonna do it. Bacon is releasing a nice fat right there. I want to get it crispy. That's there. I'm happy with it like this. I'm going to remove this in a second. Obviously the best thing would be right now just to remove the bacon from the pan and reheat the beans in that nice fat that's rendered off this little bacon bit. But this is not a recipe, so I'm going to use a different pan, because what we want is to try how this pan works. And remove this, pour this out of the pan and crack on with some beans in. But what I'll do, let me see if I can get some of this fat in there, just a touch. Oops, there we go. That's good. Remove that, and quickly in here chuck in the garlic and the chili, just for a bit. Just about half a tin will do me. Pan is already hot right here, so you can still touch it, but well, that's reheated already. Tight. Yep, just good to go. And now what's left for the egg. I'll use this because I have bacon in the other, and just put it onto heat. But for this I'm going to use a touch of oil because I don't really like an egg in a dry pan, so just a touch of oil. Just crack open the egg in it. So what I'm going to do, cover it with this and leave it on a low heat for a couple of minutes. Or, obviously, you look at it until it's done. Let's see. I like my eggs soft, but you can probably cook it for longer. This is just done. As you can see, the egg is cooked. Has it stuck to the pan? Let's see. It has. That doesn't mean that it's a bad thing, it's just basically the pan has not been seasoned properly. Basically the water that has formed when I put the other pan on top has just gone onto the egg and then is stuck in some places, but I don't really mind. It's rusty cooking in the end. It's going to be done outdoors anyway, and if I was to cook this I would have done it in just one single pan, but I wanted to try all three of them, and that's why I use them like that. And here we go. That's your beans right here. And that's what it is. The Boundless Voyage Outdoors cooking pan set.